it is a greater. Is to me, it's better in my mind to give somebody a loan for a house versus a student loan in my mind. Because in my mind, at that point, I'm banking that you either do one or two things. Either you make it and able to pay me back my money, or you don't make it and then you owe me for the rest of your life. I don't understand that with student loans. But like as far as like
the interest is set so high. The interest is set crazy.
But even then, I know I don't think student loan is transferable. So it's not like you die and then your kid's stuck with his student loan debt now. It's nah. So my whole thing is like this. I'd much rather give you $100,000 for a house, because if you don't pay me back, I'll just take the house. At least I bought something. I spent that. That's one reason I don't gamble. I will blow my money on something stupid before I go gamble it.
Yeah.
Because I feel like at least
when you say gambling, so hold on. You hold on. You say on gambling gambling mean as far with like the lottery or something?
Yeah, on lottery.
Scratch outs. I mean, hey, you might hit one time.
I feel you. That's what but there's a lot of people that didn't hit one time and then lost everything.
Yeah, but that
they spent
on life, right?
That's risky.
Hold on.
Life is a risk.
Some risks have. Some risks you can calculate more risk if you actually putting in work. Gambling, you're not really putting in no work. If you're putting in work and then you're risking, the chance of you getting something back is gonna be higher. Versus you just gambling and you're not really putting in work. You're just hoping. You're just throwing shit at the wall. Hope that stick. Hope that stick. I hope that stick.
And that's what I feel. And that's what I feel gambling is.
Hope that stick.
But I at least know somebody's like, Renardo, you throwing it at the wall, it might stick on the wall. But if you throw it at the floor, you ain't gonna get as much as the wall. But like, it's stuck to the floor. I'm not playing with that, because at the end of the day, I feel like there's a lot of people over there. If you watch, there are more losers in Vegas than winners.
Of course,
of
course.
And I don't mean by like a small amount. Yeah. There's like billions to like probably 100,000.
Probably not even 100,000. That's a lot. I wouldn't say 100,000.
No, it's probably about 100,000.
You saying